I just sneezed like a triple too. God. I've been so sneezy like all day. I haven't been able to induce or anything. I had to just get like a I did just get like a second alone, so that's nice. I don't know how I got so unlucky. To be sick on vacation, but you know. I like what I can get. I was more sneezy a couple of days ago. But I've been taking these like decongestant things, and like they're working, but like you know, but you know, they make my nose so dry that it's like, it's like not really helpful. Like, either dry and then like it's like a little windy, so I'm itchy. I'm also probably like a little allergic. I'm like in a different state. So you know that it's probably not helping. It's like pollen and stuff. I just woke up this morning like the most stuffed up I feel like I've been in my life. And then I had to like be a person. It was just kind of awful. But we live. I actually I had to go on this tour thing. I could not because it was like $200. It was so expensive. I didn't book it, but afterwards I had just the entire like 2 hours. I just had like a tickle in my nose. I couldn't sneeze and I couldn't like eke it out or anything. I just had to stand there like sniffling and like wishing that I could just fucking sneeze. Nothing was happening, so then I went to the bathroom and I went to the bathroom and I brought tissue and I did induce it, and like, oh my fucking god, it felt so good. That already feels like a lot better.